Good morning. It is officially the day before my birthday and we are going to pick up our van that we are renting today. Jesse's just gone with Mum to go get it and I am on packing duty while the baby sleeps. Welcome to the office. It's a bit of a mess. Initially we were going to have everything ready to go last night and then Jesse was going to go with Mum to go pick up the van, come home, and we were just going to load it up and go and have, you know, the most of our time. But then we decided to make chocolate fudge slice last night, which is delicious, so we didn't do any of that. Baby's just waking up. False alarm, she's still asleep, but I've taken the opportunity to get the rest of the stuff they need out of the room and I keep packing. To not wake up the baby. Let's just check and see where they are. Still there. So now I've kind of finished packing up, sort of. Tote there is ready to go. Got a bag of nappies for the baby, camera bag is ready, and then all of our electronics are just here charging. And I'm just basically waiting for them to arrive, but I guess I'll go upstairs and start packing upstairs as well. Alright, still nothing, but I thought I'd talk about what we're doing for the baby. So we are bringing her little box with a bunch of things in it. They've got shapes on the top. And then I'm bringing every toy we have that has a hook on it so we can hook it to her car seat because her car seat's quite far back, so she won't actually, usually in the car if she drops a toy I can just turn around and pick it up for her, but I can't do that in this van, so I'm hoping that by attaching things she will be able to grab them herself. Good morning! Hello! Have a kiss? Oh, thank you. Mwah. Just got word that Jesse is on his way. We're actually meeting a client in Palmerston on the way out as well, which will be nice. And this is the packing I've got so far. I'm just going to get some stuff out of the freezer and the fridge, but I don't want to do that until they get here. And then pack up the rest of the electronics and go. Hello! Hello! Say hi! Good job.
You excited?
Oh, we're going in the van. I don't know where we're gonna walk.
Figure it out.
What do you think?
Happy birthday for tomorrow, darling.
Thank you. Oh, have fun. I will. I'm very excited.
She's really excited.
You excited?
Look at her.
Oh, you are excited, hey? She's like, no, no paparazzi.
She knows the camera so well.
What are you doing?
Filming.
Oh, good.
Oh my god.
Filming what?
Filming day one of my dream life. 8 years in the making.
Aurora!
Back there.
Hi! You're very cute.